Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. Today we are going to learn a very interesting topic, that is household electric circuits and electric circuit in a room, series and parallel. Students, in household electric circuits, all the appliances are connected in parallel. All these appliances, students, need to be connected in parallel. Why so? Each appliance has a separate path for the current and works at same potential, and they also have a separate switch connected to the live wire. So all these things, that is, the appliances connected in parallel, are done for the safety. Now let's understand this, how the appliance is connected to the mains. The live wire carries current from the mains to the appliance. It is at 220 volts. It is of red in color. The neutral wire, on the other hand, is for return of the current from the appliance to the mains. It is at 0 volts. There is one more wire, students, which is the earth wire, which is connected to the metallic case of the appliance to the earth. Students, if I ask you what is the potential difference between live and neutral, it is 220 volts. The next that we are going to talk is the appliance must be connected with a switch and a fuse connected in the live wire. Again, this is done for our safety. Now, after understanding about household electric circuits, let's understand about the series circuit and parallel circuit. In series circuit, all the appliances work together. If one appliance does not work, the other also will not work. The reason being, same current flows through the entire circuit, and if one of the appliance fuses, or in this case the bulb fuses, it will be an open circuit and the current will not flow.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.